About my 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, we'll look up here and you should see this little lever you can pinch, and then I'll pull the whole seat forward. Same process for the opposite side. There's this another button there you can pull. And when you're ready to fold this back up, I would just make sure first that your seat belt is back over here. That way it doesn't get pinched when it's time to lock this in place again on here. But we'll pull this back up. And there you go, now it's locked back in place and secure. And then here you can just fold this down. When you're done, just fold it back up. And then this driver's seat, as long as you've got some power to your vehicle, this will slide the whole seat backwards. This slides the whole seat forward. And then to make this lean forward, we'll just pull this, and this will go forward. And then to push it back, typically you want two hands, but this will engage it so you can now push the seat back. And then when you release this lever and it goes back down, it locks it in place. And I'll show you the passenger side as well. So the passenger side, it's got the similar lever here, so when you lift this, the back's gonna be able to pull forward, or you can push it back. And then when you have it back in your neutral position here, it locks this in place. And then to slide the whole seat forward and back, you'll lift this lever, and then with this up, you can now pull or push the seat forward or back. And when you release it back to this down position, it locks it in place. But I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.